Hello and welcome. Today I have a coffee maker. Not just any coffee maker, the mother of all coffee makers. This thing will brew 18 liters.
18 liters is equal to 4.755 liquid gallons.
Yeah, 4 3/4 gallons of coffee at once. The company sent me this to take a look at it and show you what I think of it, and I can tell you I'm impressed. I got it out of the box. It does have a level so you can see how much coffee is in there. It takes a lot of coffee to brew 4 3/4 gallons of coffee, but you'll figure that part out. It's the old-fashioned percolator style. It's got the drip tray. I like this because you can pour 1 cup of coffee, but if you need to do a carafe, it locks open. This locks closed, so you have to turn it to open it. You can see it's locked and unlocked. That unlocks. Now, I would warn you not to fill this up with water and try to pick this up. The lock is just a little lip, and I don't think it would hold. It's just the old percolator style. The tube goes down to the bottom where it boils, and it forces the water up here, and then there's a little umbrella at the top that spurts the water all over your coffee grounds. So the one thing that I did notice when playing with this is this little dome has to go in that little hole right there, and you have to make sure it's in there or it's not going to work right. So you just play with it a little bit, jiggle it around, and it pops right back down in there. Then this closes and seals. I'm sure that helps it percolate a little bit faster by keeping it closed. It's got a really good grounded plug. It's pretty long too. This is like I said, the 18-liter version. They have other versions as well, but not quite as big. The finish is white. I like it. It's nice, empty. It's fairly light and easy to manage. I like it. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.